Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what a Glimmering Sprite does in Grow a Garden. Now, the Glimmering Sprite you get by obtaining the, obtaining the enchanted egg, and when you hatch it, hopefully you'll get the Glimmering Sprite. I finally got it. It is so cute. I actually just want to get it because of the color, obviously, and how it basically has like these trails of rainbow glow. I don't know what I'm saying, but basically a glimmering sprite is at every 3 minutes and 38 seconds, it flies to a nearby fruit and enchants it, applying the glimmering mutation. Even though I already have pets that I did apply the glimmering shard to, I can now add this. I think I've already gotten a lot of glimmering mutation on my plant. I think it's all of it, well, except for these ones, I guess. But I'm just going to place my glimmering sprite here in my garden. There you go. And that's it. It basically just spreads more of the glimmering mutation if you don't have enough of that in your garden. I think I have enough. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.